Max, we have to go to class now. Hurry!
Joyce, you made me get gum on my shoes.
Oh no, I'm sorry. But I know what to do.
But there's no way to get the gum off the shoe.
Of course you can. All we need is rubbing alcohol and cotton swabs.
How's that gonna help?
I'll show you. See, Max? The gum came out so easily.
Oh wow, that was cool. Thanks, Joyce.
No problem. Now let's hurry. We're gonna be late to class.
Oh yeah.
So to solve this exponential equation, you need a logarithm. What was that noise? Joyce, you know better than to text while I'm teaching.
Sorry, Miss Amy.
I'm keeping it for the rest of the day.
Aww.
Hey Joyce, I can help you sneak in your phone. You just need a pencil box. First move all the supplies out of the way. Then put in your phone and put all the supplies on top. Now when Miss Amy comes around, she won't know where my phone is.
Wow, Max. I'll try that tomorrow. Thanks.
Oh, you're welcome. Now let's finish these problems.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we...
Huh? Max, wake up! If Professor sees you sleeping, you're gonna get in trouble.
Oh, I can't help it. I lost track of time playing games last night.
Then do your morning stretches.
Morning stretches, I guess.
Great. Now do 10 push-ups.
Oh, what? 10 push-ups?
Yeah, come on. Go, Max.
Okay.
Do it.
Oh.
You got this, Max. Go, Max. You're almost there.
Oh, why'd you make me do 10 push-ups?
Well, you're not tired anymore, right?
Oh, you're right. I'm not sleepy anymore.
See, Max, I know everything.
Your reports are due in 5 minutes. No late work accepted.
What?
5 minutes?
Oh, no. I'm not
man.
gonna finish in time. No, not that.
What's wrong, Joyce?
I don't know what to write. I'm so stressed out.
Oh, calm down, Joyce. Here, let me help you. Here, Joyce, eat some spinach.
Okay.
Spinach helps produce dopamine, which helps you relax.
Wow, I feel better. Thank you, Max.
Oh, no problem. Now let's finish these reports. We only got 2 minutes left.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Here are your exams.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Oh, what's wrong, Joyce?
I studied so hard for this test, but I can never remember the material.
Oh, don't worry, Joyce. I have a solution for that. Here, Joyce.
A banana? What's that gonna do?
It'll improve your memory. Just eat it. Bananas help you remember and store material that you're gonna study. Just eat a banana the next time you study and you will remember everything.
Look, Max, I aced my exam.
Oh, great job, Joyce. Now you're gonna ace all the exams.
Yeah, and it's all because of you. Thanks, Max.
Oh, no problem. Oh, yes, here's the page.
All right, all done with my notes.
Joyce, you lost my page.
Oh, sorry, Max.
Oh, now I gotta find it all over again.
I need to make it up to Max. Oh! With this envelope, I can use it to make a bookmark for Max.
Oh, yes, I found it.
Look, Max, I made you bookmarks.
Oh, thanks, Joyce. Now I won't lose my page.
No problem.
Okay, okay. Huh? Oh man, my papers always rip out of my binder. Joyce, how do you keep your papers from falling out?
Oh, mine? It's easy. Let me show you. You just need some tape and a hole puncher. We just need to put tape over the torn holes. Now, your margin will be a lot sturdier.
Oh wow, Joyce, thanks. Now I won't lose any papers anymore.
No problem. Now let's tape the rest of these.
Yeah.
Max, where's your homework?
Oh, I have it. Just let me find it. It's in one of these folders.
Max, why can't you be more organized?
Oh, sorry, Miss Amy.
Don't worry, I'll help you. To help Max stay organized, all we need are different colored folders. Just separate the classwork by subject, then we'll put them in different colored folders. Now you won't confuse any of your class's assignments.
Oh wow, thanks Miss Amy.
No problem. I expect all of your assignments to be on time now.
Okay, Miss Amy.
Where's Joyce? I'm here, Professor. You're late. Go sit down. Okay.
Joyce, hurry, you need your notebook.
Okay. Oh man, my chips spilled all over my backpack.
Oh man, sorry to hear that, Joyce. Oh wait. We can use these plastic straws to close your bag of chips.
Huh? How are you gonna do that?
Here, look, I'll show you.
Okay.
Using scissors, cut open one of the straws. Roll the bag opening over the other straw. Now we just gotta slide the open straw over the bag. See, Joyce, now the bag will stay closed and you won't spill chips anymore.
Wow, Max, this is so cool. But I just have to clean up the mess in my backpack now.
Oh, do you need some help?
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, let's see.
Hi, everyone. Did you like our school hacks video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!